most likely was created in
the 15th century. It survived a fire. The church was completely burnt to the ground.
Nostras deprecationes
his way before the miraculous crucifix.
Nel nome del Padre, del Figlio e dello Spirito Santo. La grazia del Signore.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about these things. Bucket, stick it in here, tape it, and make my string. So I got a really long strip here. I've taped it all together. Now I'm ready to roll. You gotta get it real tight here. I've already started to roll it, and that's why it has a curve started. Just get it real as close as you can in there, and then kind of work it into a tight roll. Every once in a while you might notice that it's like kind of slipping. Just hold it in the middle and give it a little tug. You might end up re-rolling a few times as you go about. It's okay. The finished product will be worth the struggle, as always. I always thought these were pretty cool. Alright, keep doing that. Okay, so I'm at a spot right now where I want to stop because my cord ran out. I need to take a little break. I'm going to hold it in the middle. I'll give a little tug so it's super snug in there. Keep it rolled tight while I get my tape. You might want to have your tapes kind of ready to go. It'll be easier in the long run. Let's see how big it is. Maybe like 2.5 inches. So this is maybe like 6 or 7 strips. You can go bigger if you'd like. I'm not gonna stop you. All of my sticks here. Okay, so the world's your oyster sauce. See? Could be like an accessory. I was just thinking you can make this into a coaster, see? There's one thing that I think is worth noting is that if you push it past its breaking point, it will break. You can fix it. Actually, it's having need to re-roll it, yes, but it's already got a muscle memory of that roll, so it's quick. And then maybe that you can only push it so far. And just like that, you're back on track. Okay, so let's see what we can come up with. Thanks for being awesome. Yeah. That's it. See you later. We will see you later.
Bye.